Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can adjust images in Canva. So if you want to change the image frame or just the image in Canva, then there are different ways of doing so. For that, first open any browser in your computer and go to canva.com. Here, this is the image we have. Now, I can first fit this image on the whole frame. For that, first remove it, click on it and delete. Then to again put it here, from the left panel, drag and place the cursor just at the edge of the frame and the image is fit in the whole frame. The other thing you can do is fit this image as background and you won't be able to move it. For that, insert the image and then just right click on the image and then select replace as background and it is set as background. Now in case you want to remove it as background, then just right click on the frame and then click on delete image from the background and it's back to being an image. To just crop this image, click on it and then select the corner points of this image and drag it to the left and the image is smaller now. You can similarly make the image bigger too. And the last thing would be to change the dimensions of the image. For that, click on the resize on the top left and from the options, you can either choose pre-available formats such as Instagram story or post or put a custom size. But this resize feature is for Pro Canva members only. So this is how you can adjust images in Canva. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, then don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.